enough to take a nigga's spirit. All this jewelry on our body.
Damn!
It's yours. Told you that AP.
I can't believe we actually got this shit cut. My fault. I'm crying and shit. Mug gang, what's this? We're done. We back in the stand with a new video. We got NoCap, the main bird. I think it's an EP. It's only 7 songs, so we about to check it out. If you're new to my channel, hit that sub button. Give me the 500K subs ASAP. Follow my Instagram and my Twitter. They're behind they both the same thing. And I don't know. But let's dive straight into it and let's get it cracking. We got 7 songs from NoCap, 2 features, Rock 49 and Rilo Rodriguez. It's been a minute. You know what I mean? It's been a while since we got some NoCap and Rilo. But let's dive straight into the first song, Rich and Dangerous. Let's get this shit cracking, man. Let's go.
Shit crazy. Get that bag, get through. Dying about that money, you know hustling kills. Deserving what I got, I put in work for years. I hope Fred know that I miss him, but he never called me. Wish my nigga would've passed away from natural causes. Giving up on being happy cause
he said I hope my nigga would've passed away from natural causes. Damn. I feel this one already though. He said hustling kills. That was a bar right there too though.
Dying about that money, you know hustling kills. Deserving what I got, I put in work for years. I hope Fred know that I miss him, but he never called me. Wish my nigga would've passed away from natural causes. Giving up on being happy cause them devils on me. All I know is grab my ratchet every fucking morning. Lambo tight, they grip the street, them bitches hug the corner. Rich ass rapper, police think I got a 50 on them. I see diamonds in your eye every time that you cry. That's why you so emotional. All that money couldn't save me, they made me mad enough, then I'ma go spin out a Bentley truck. Rich in danger.
He said money couldn't save me. He said they made me mad enough, I'ma go spin out a Bentley truck. You know what I mean? The money ain't gonna change me, I'm still gonna get down and dirty with it. I'ma spin out the goddamn Bentley truck with it. You feel me? That's crazy. Spinning out a goddamn Bentley truck, I ain't gonna lie, Cap. That's kinda insane.
Emotional, all that money couldn't save me. They made me mad enough, then I'ma go spin out a Bentley truck. Rich and dangerous, yeah, rich and dangerous, yeah, rich and dangerous, yeah. Shawty can't leave, she stalking. Can't give up, I'm ballin'. Whoever hang with him, we get him. We don't have a target. I've been in LA, but all the trenches where my heart at. These niggas ain't felt no pain, these niggas just play hurt like a car wreck. At night I pray to God that he protect me from that cold.
They just play her like a car wreck. You know what I mean? Like they just trying to get their check or something. You gonna play her. I think that's what he talking about. Where he say that shit was hard. He funny himself for that bar.
These niggas ain't felt no pain, these niggas just play hurt like a car wreck. At night I pray to God that he protect me from that cold cell. Remember I was posted on the wall just like a doorbell. Everything changed. Remember Duke was standing right here. Pistol in my hand, it take too long to get to my hip. Dying by that money, you know, loving what I got, I put in work for years. I hope Fred know I miss him, but he never called me. Wish my nigga would've passed away from natural causes. Giving up on being happy cause them devils on me. All I know is grab my ratchet every fucking morning. Lambo ties, they grip the street, them bitches hug the corner. Rich ass rapper, police think I got a 50 on. I see diamonds in your eye every time that you cry. That's why you so emotional. All that money couldn't save me, they made me mad enough, then I'ma go spin out a Bentley truck. Rich and dangerous, yeah, 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 rich and
That was a good intro though.
Crazy.
Busy out of it.
Yeah.
That was a good little transition. transition though. I ain't gonna lie. I was fucking with that transition. Hold on. Weezy out of here though. Hold on.
Busy out of here. Busy out of here. Busy out of here. Yeah.
Instantly some turn up shit.
Yeah.
I mean, he got Raw 49 on this bitch. He gotta go crazy. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Gotta turn it up.
I put an AP on my left wrist.
Right.
I put Cartier up on my bitch.
Okay.
I put a Rolex on my brother. That's exactly how this shit been going. Yeah. I drive that Chevy like a rose. Mouth full of goals. Rich nigga still a fucker project hoe. I'm sagging cause I got it from my daddy. My mama knew I was a problem when she had me. These niggas talk behind my back like I'm the reason they ain't that. I fucked around and ran it up. That's the same reason they
Niggas talk behind my back like I'm the reason they ain't that. Come on now, I made you who you are. You gonna talk behind my back? Come on, cat.
Cause I got it from my daddy. My mama knew I was a problem when she had me. These niggas talk behind my back like I'm the reason they ain't that. I fucked around and ran it up. That's the same reason they start. I got too much paper, I made it kinda hard to go to war. Let your globe hang out the car. No shit get wet out when I'm out. No cap the hood preaching.
You say she get wetter when I'm up. Some way you say, oh, man.
That's the same reason they start. I got too much paper, I made it kinda hard to go to war. Let your globe hang out the car. No shit get wet out when I'm out. No cap the hood preacher, got a plug who bless me with that all. My say so fucking big, I think it need a bathroom stall. Wake up in the morning, 100K on my dresser. Don't cut plug who bless me with that all. My say so fucking big, I think it need a bathroom stall. Wake up in the morning, 100K on my dresser. Don't call yourself no op if you ain't applied pressure. I walk on stage, fans call my name, the streets do too. Free Cortez, he know 3 numbers, 762. Why the police take my rifles? I got deals to catch too. I'm sagging cause I got it from my daddy. My mama knew I was a problem when she had me. I drive that Chevy like a rose, mouth full of ghosts. Rich nigga still a fucker project hoe. I put an AP on my left wrist. I put Cartier up on my bitch. I put a Rolex on my brother. That's exactly how this shit been going. Yeah, 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 that's exactly how this shit been going.
Yeah, that's exactly how this shit been going. I've been in that mode, I'm flipping hoes, I ain't got no girl. Diamonds like broke glass, I'm in the track, all screaming free the trail. Clock it to my left, P pusher, bad hoe flipper, sell 1,000 pounds of better. Once you said that, can't erase that, better stand on what you feel. I'm in knee deep in the drug life, ain't no nigga gon' bring me feel. From New Orleans, where the BR, we who put holes to the test. 762 is like a missile, oh you love me, give me tatted. I'm cut from a different fabric,
He
niggas.
said, you love me, give me tatted, shorty. You don't gotta do all that. You don't gotta do all that, shorty. Just, you feel me? I don't know. Just show me you love me, but don't be a dummy. You feel me? Don't be a dummy, because then I'm gonna think you really dumb. You feel me? You give me tatted on, I'm gonna be like, you really dumb. You dumb. Now I just look at you like a dummy, so don't do that, shorty. You feel me? That shit funny. He said, what?
Where the BR, we who put holes to the test. 762 is like a missile, oh you love me, give me tatted. I'm cut from a different fabric, niggas cotton, and I'm solid. He ain't tied it, niggas lying. VM, Roger Mafia, I was cutting school with them. Niggas act like they remember. I sold weed, I crack cards, I'm a real hood nigga.
I put an AP on my left wrist.
So I crack cards, I'm a real hood nigga.
I put Cartier up on my bitch. I put a Rolex on my brother. That's exactly how this shit been going. Yeah, 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 that's exactly how this shit been going.
Feel me? Sound like he putting hella niggas on. That's what he talking about. He putting, you feel me, watches on motherfuckers, Cartier on his bitch. And then he says some, what was the one line? Was it in this song? What did he say earlier? What did he say?
When she ain't that, I fucked around.
He said niggas acting like the reason they ain't that. You feel me? So he acting like he put niggas on. That's how it's going. You feel me? That's how it's supposed to be though. If you the breadwinner, you know what I mean, put your niggas on. But shit though, don't act like a bitch though when he do it though. You know, show love in return. You feel me? Stay loyal, stay down. You know, just, you know, find ways to help out. You know what I mean? Contribute to the process, you know? But hell yeah. Back to the basics. It's about to be some old cap.
Hey, my niggas, they be drugging, they pop Percocets like Advil. Tell her bend it over, shake it for me, show me that ass real. We know it ain't close, so we can't talk about that case. Them niggas ain't ballin', they just sitting on wait. I'm rockin' roll, my bitch nice as hell. You can't tell the difference, they gon' have to buy me out of jail.
Why you sound like that though, Cap? Okay. He said what?
Hey, my niggas, they be drugging, they pop Percocets like Advil. Tell her bend it over, shake it for me, show me that ass real. We know it ain't close, so we can't talk about that case. Them niggas ain't ballin', they just in the way. I'm rockin' roll, my bitch nice as hell. You can't tell the difference, they gon' have to buy me out of jail if they get the trip. I'm staying quiet on the internet, I ain't into dissing. That bitch Keisha got some good head, pay for her tuition. And if she mad a couple grand, I put a smile.
Pay for her tuition. Tuition high as hell nowadays. I mean, whew. You talking about like what, a semester? Like what you talking about, cuz? You know what I mean? These niggas out here tripping, bruh.
Have to buy me out of jail if they get the trip. I'm staying quiet on the internet, I ain't into this. That bitch Keisha got some good head, pay for her tuition. And if she mad a couple grand, I put a smile on her face. Free my nigga out the can, I spend bands on this case. They ain't building shit for somebody to take it. God know that I'ma sell and spin and I be praying. Hold up, PTB, you know we protecting the brand. Hold up, too much rockin' me, can't tell what I be saying.
Too much rockin' me, can't tell what I be saying. The way he sound on this bitch is too raw though. You mean? It sound like he loaded or something. Like this nigga really off them pills on this bitch though.
Face free my nigga out the can. I spend bands on this case. They ain't building shit for somebody to take it. God know that I'ma sell and spin and I be praying. Hold up, PTB, you know we protecting the brand. Hold up, too much rockin' me, can't tell what I be saying. Your niggas train to go, mine train to kill. Me and Shotty close, but I don't wanna feel her veneers. Tell Sky I wanna fuck her like a porn star. Think that I'm slipping, we got 4 dicks in this foreign car. Can't be myself, so I can't wait until I shake these papers. I'm down to Shotty close, but I don't wanna feel her veneers. Tell Sky I wanna fuck.
Shotty close, but I don't wanna feel her nails. What?
Mine train to kill. Me and Shotty close, but I don't wanna feel her veneers. Tell Sky I wanna fuck her like a porn star. Think that I'm slipping, we got 4 dicks in this foreign car. Can't be.
He said to Sky wanna fuck her like a porn star. He said, so we got 4 dicks in this foreign car.
Tell Sky I wanna fuck her like a porn star. Think that I'm slipping, we got 4 dicks in this foreign car. Can't be myself, so I can't wait until I shake these papers. I'm down to whoop that hoe, she cheats, so now she think I'm crazy. Right through my bill with a stick, right back to the basics. I'm down to catch a tip to lose, police should've tased me. All about my green like the Hulk, I'm so incredible. I came out that gutter 12, know what's in my area. Say she from Virgin Islands, I still fuck on the first night. Country boy, mud right.
Okay. I hear you. I hear you, brother. He said what? She say she from the Virgin Islands. I still fuck on the first night. Get it? Cause she from the Virgin Islands, but he still fuck on the first night. Come on, cuz. Okay.
I came out that gutter 12, know what's in my area. Say she from Virgin Islands, I still fuck on the first night.
Okay.
Country boy, mud riding, Pop Willis on the dirt bike. Shawty should thank me for real, I took her out the projects. Don't worry, I'm at my lowest, so I'ma sip this hot tech. These nigga bitches go to jail insane. His name should be Melody. When I squeeze it, I won't fucking stop.
His name should be Melody. Cause he's singing in jail cause he a rap. His name should be Melody. That's funny as hell, bro.
Bitches go to jail insane. His name should be Melody. When I squeeze it, I won't fucking stop. That's just my dream. I know they aiming at my head too. Hey, you know my legacy. If they pick me up, I keep quiet. That's just my niggas. They be drugging, they pop Percocets like Advil. Tell her bend it over, shake it for me, show me that ass real. We know it ain't close, so we can't talk about that case. Them niggas ain't ballin', they just sitting away. I'm rockin' roll, my bitch nice as hell. You can't tell the difference. They gon' have to buy me out of jail if they get the trip. I'm staying quiet on the internet, I ain't into this. That bitch Keisha got some good head, pay for her tuition.
Pay for her tuition. I'll pay for shorty books. You feel me? How about that, Keisha? I'll pay for your books, Keisha. Shit, even books is expensive nowadays, goddamn. Standing on Lies is the next song.
Gina on a track.
Hey bro, is that Jambo?
Believe they self, they standing on lies. And they always asking me why. I won't let no one love me, I'm fine. That Lambo low to the ground, my head high.
I felt that one though. He said, I won't let nobody love me, I'm fine. I'm good. You know what I mean? I don't need none of your loving. You feel me? Just leave me the fuck alone. Leave me alone. Please, thank you.
Believe they self, they standing on lies. And they always asking me why. I won't let no one love me, I'm fine. That Lambo low to the ground, my head high. And they always asking us why. We post on that block and don't hide. When we know that it's chances of dying. When we know that we facing jail time. Bullets fly like Delta, take a nigga spirit. All this jury on our body.
Damn! This nigga said the bullets flying like Delta is gonna take a nigga's spirit. Okay. Alright, buddy. I see what you did there. You get it because Delta the airline and Spirit the airline is gonna fly like Delta. It's gonna take a nigga's spirit. You know what I mean? Okay. Okay.
We facing jail time. Bullets fly like Delta, take a nigga's spirit. All this jury on, I brought my lawyer with me. Soon I told them no, them niggas went to dissing. Only thing that showed me they was never with me. Problems in my cup, I mixed the soda with it. Facing jail time. Bullets fly like Delta, take a knee on, I brought my lawyer with me. Soon I told them no, them niggas went to dissing. Only thing that showed me they was never with me. Problems in my cup, I mixed the soda with it. Had to stop giving my trust, I barely know these bitches. She took too many pictures, first time I flew her out. She won't see me again, cause I see what this all about. What happened to the real?
She just want the clout. She just want the, you know, the image. She ain't really for you. That's some real shit though. You know, once you just get the tripping the first time, you ain't gonna see me a second time.
I know these bitches. She took too many pictures, first time I flew her out. She won't see me again, cause I see what this all about. What happened to the real niggas like this shit a drop? The fake is in, played to win and lost. I'm young, not convinced, I need a 10 to talk.
Man.
A 50 to see me, ain't talking about Titans, you did. Black card, it remind me, niggas got life in the pen. My daddy taught me two things, don't follow the hype or the trend. So they gon' die trying to be something they ain't. I made a call in cause I see what this all about. What happened to the real niggas like this shit a drop? The fake.
The way he just started flowing on that beat like that, the way the beat changed and he just changed what just got the flowing on that motherfucker. He was floating on that mother, wasn't he? Hold on though, that delivery was smooth.
Cause I see what this all about. What happened to the real niggas like this shit a drop? The fake is in, played to win and lost. I'm young,
the fake is in, they played to win and lost. Come on, man.
She won't see me again cause I see what this all about. What happened to the real niggas like this shit a drop? The fake is in, played to win and lost. I'm young, not convinced, I need a 10 to talk. A 50 to see me, ain't talking about Titans, you did. Black card, it remind me, niggas.
10 to see me, he said, no, a 10 to talk, 50 to see me. I ain't talking about Titans, you dig? Oh, man.
The win and loss, I'm young, not convinced, I need a 10 to talk. A 50 to see me, ain't talking about Titans, you did. Black card, it remind me, niggas got life in the pen. My daddy taught me two things, don't follow the hype or the
I just got that fucking line. Whole time I was trying to, you know, fake it to y'all like I understood what he's talking about, but a 10 to see me. He said 10 to see, Tennessee. I ain't talking about Titans.
About Titans, you did. Black card, it remind me, niggas got life in the pen. My daddy's not convinced, I need a 10 to talk. A 50 to see me, ain't talking about Titans, you did. Black card, it remind me, niggas got life in the pen. My daddy taught me two things, don't follow the hype or the trend. So they gon' die trying to be something they ain't. I made a call after I pulled the paint. I told the God, but I didn't complain at all, cause it get worse. Skipping school, now the boys trying to get home, hype on the trend. So they gon' die trying to be something they ain't. I made a call after I pulled the paint. I told the God, but I didn't complain at all, cause it get worse. Skipping school, now them boys trying to get home with the work. Don't get no risking it and giving it, they take this hard to go. I knew that they was
skipping school, now them boys trying to get home with the work. That was a bar, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
I told the God, but I didn't complain at all, cause it get worse. Skipping school, now them boys trying to get home with the work. Don't get no risking it and giving it, they take this hard to go. I knew that they would change, but I didn't see my homies folding. I got so damn rich that I can burn what they owe me. I got so damn lit that they gon' burn me if they can. Standing in the rain with a gun in my hand, with a bulletproof umbrella. I wonder why these niggas believe they self, they standing on lies. And they always asking me why. I won't let no one love me, I'm fine. That Lambo low to the ground, my head high. And they always asking us why. I talked to God, but I didn't complain at all, cause it get worse. Skipping school, now them boys trying to get home with the work. Don't get no risking it and giving it, they take this hard to go. I knew that they would change, but I didn't see my homies folding. I got so damn rich that I can burn what they owe me. I got so damn lit that they gon' burn me if they can. Standing in the rain with a gun in my hand, with a bulletproof umbrella. I wonder why these niggas believe they self, they standing on lies.
Damn, that's probably my favorite one so far. Yeah. The switch of flows on that one, you know, the delivery on that one, he was talking on that one. He was really, yeah, that's one of them ones right there. I ain't gonna lie, standing on lies for sure. Ain't right. That ain't right.
Cut it on every beat, nigga.
Yeah. My wrist right, so my bitch right, my fit right, keep a stick right, right. Where they trap here, we gon' spin it up. Them niggas broke because of us. That Molly pink like pig skin, fucking on my bitch friend. Got that Lambo tinted, and put Dracos in it. Niggas, they was with me, I don't know what happened. I had to get rid of bitches, I knew they was choosing. I'm rich, so on the blame for everybody when they losing. She don't know a song, but she gon' fuck me cause I'm poppin'. Spent 20 up in demons and I didn't plan on shopping. Top in my lap, girl, it's a hack. Cortez, he'll dunk on them like Shaq. Don't try to flex, I'm getting bags. I'm fucking snow bunnies in these cats. Got all these rings on like I'm married.
I'm fucking snow bunnies in these cares. Okay. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna lie, that song took a minute for it to, you know, like heat up type shit. I ain't gonna lie, cause at first I was like, alright, this probably gonna be the one I'm cool on type shit, cause you can't love them all, you know what I mean? But no, it did, you know, heat up. He did, you know, kick it up a notch.
Didn't plan on shopping. Top in my lap, girl, it's a hack. Cortez, he'll dunk on them like Shaq. Don't try to flex, I'm getting bags. I'm fucking snow bunnies in these cats. Got all these rings on like I'm married. Got all these Cuban links on my neck. I got a cold heart in my chest. I got an op bitch in my bed. Say that they with it, dodging on the low. I put some noise.
He said I got an eye bitch in my bed. What?
A cold heart in my chest. I got an op bitch in my bed. Say that they with it, dodging on the low. I put some no attachments on the pole.
It better hope she don't make a little text, you feel me? You know what I mean? Try to get your low up, cuz. You know what I mean? Shit, but you'll know better.
A bitch in my bed. Say that they with it, dodging on the low. I put some no attachments on the pole. We just gon' burn the bridge for them trolls. Niggas didn't see my pigeon all along. Yeah.
Cut it on every beat, nigga.
F5. Yeah. My wrist right, so my bitch right. Got that Lambo tinted.
I don't know why he put this one on the tape though. You feel me? I feel like it's just, he probably had way more songs he could have chose from to put on the tape other than this one. I'm just saying because we got two hooks and the one, you know, I ain't gonna say a short verse, but it was, you know, just a, you know, a regular verse type.
Bitches ain't right, niggas ain't right, but my bitch right. Yeah, niggas ain't right.
But I did see though, he did say that like he had a whole lot more songs or something like that, but he had to cut some of them because he couldn't get the samples cleared in time or something like that. That's crazy.
Yeah, bitches ain't right.
Alright, we got this song Rilo Rodriguez, man. Tight end.
Gino on a track.
Gino on the track. Hell yeah. I heard it in the beat already. Good old times, baby.
One foot on the line.
I'm about to crack. Oh man. Not Rilo, no cap, good. Oh.
Feeling like a tight end. For my darkest times, I
never thought I'd see this day again.
One foot on the line, I'm feeling like a tight end. For my darkest times, I just go at bright lens. I go through it like you still see me striking. I don't know why I drive this bitch like I'm excited. Shawty do me one favor, and the whole world is yours. Told you that AP came plain Jane. I'm screaming all aboard. I buy a house in the mountain, that's in
He said, what? They're only playing Jane. I'm screaming all aboard. Okay. Because ain't Jane, who's Jane? Ain't Jane the shorty from the hold on, I'll get back to y'all. Because I don't want to say it and sound dumb. You know? Hold on, let me just type it in real quick. Yeah, Jane from the Titanic. All aboard. I ain't want to say it and sound dumb. So, there. Press play. Come on, man.
me striking. I don't know why I drive this bitch like I'm excited. Shawty do me one favor, and the whole world is yours. Told you that AP came plain Jane. I'm screaming all aboard. I buy a house in the mountain, that's in due time. Rilo lost his little Joe, hope I don't lose mine. Hit the gas in that lamb, the tires be hugging while I speed. Even if I was a
Rilo lost his little Joe. I hope I don't lose mine.
Rilo lost his little Joe, hope I don't lose mine. Hit the gas in that lamb, the tires be hugging while I speed. Even if I was a Dale, I wouldn't say hello to the other side. Pocket full of dead guys, backwood full of dead ops. Casamigo hollow tips, we gon' give them number shots.
Casamigo hollow tips, we gon' give number shots. The way that beat is, you feel me? Out Gino, you know what I mean?
I don't lose mine. Hit the gas in that lamb, the tires be hugging while I speed. Even if I was a Dale, I wouldn't say hello to the other side. Pocket full of dead guys, backwood full of dead ops. Casamigo hollow tips, we gon' give them number shots.
Brother told the CEO don't have no rap for his selling. He on the phone the first time he heard global telling. We smoke, we ride banana clips, but know these fruits are deadly. One to his million, so now he lifeless. Brother told the CEO don't have no rap for his selling. He on the phone the first time he heard global telling. We smoke, we ride banana clips, but know these fruits are deadly. One to his million, so now he lifeless in the paramedics. I'm on the pro.
He said something about the banana, he didn't say something about the melon, the fruits of deli. Hold on, he fucked me up just now. Rilo low-key just fucked me up, I ain't gonna lie.
Brother told the CEO don't have no rap for his selling. He on the phone the first time he heard global telling. We smoke, we ride banana clips, but know these fruits are deadly.
One said banana clips, you know these fruits are deadly. He said something about his melon. What about his melon?
For his selling. He on the phone the first time he heard global telling. We smoke, we ride banana clips, but know these fruits are deadly. One to his melon, so now he lifeless in the paramedics. I'm on the pro different. Sometimes we rock ski masks. I coach him, but I'm a shooter too like Steve Nash. I was QB. Tell the bros to make a post and he pass. Except niggas try to wrestle, we don't wanna see flags. But I want me correct. Like you scoring street, you fucking. Just tell me going deep. I love it. So NoCap to help me find a way in. I fucked it in one pass and I was QB. Tell the bros to make a post and he pass. Except niggas try to wrestle, we don't chum. But I'm a shooter too like Steve Nash. I was QB. Tell the bros to make a post and he pass.
So the us make a post and he passed. Hold on, you get it? Cause that's like a post and like a pass, like a. I don't know if he meant to do that. And he said something about like Steve Nash, so I think he's using like sports analogies, bro. He's low key fucking me up with this whole verse, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
That's niggas try to wrestle, we don't wanna see flags. But I want on me.
And the ref, you don't want to see flags. He's talking about football. He said somebody posting the pass.
Man, I coach him, but I'm a shooter too like Steve Nash. I was QB, tell the bro to make a post and he pass. Self niggas try to refs and we don't want to see flags. But don't want me correct. Like this going straight, you fuck it. Just tell me going deep. I love it.
Bro, and then that sounds like a cadence, like, damn. Say, do that not sound like a cadence like foot, bro. Don't tell. Yo, I'm about to wrap this shit the fuck up right now. We're gonna skip the last song. This is what this nigga's doing. I ain't gonna lie, Rollo, you can't do that to NoCap on his own take. Cause ain't no way. If this is really what he's doing, I don't know if I'm that fried. I'm just thinking too hard into it. But bro,
I'm on the pro different. Sometimes we rock ski masks. I coach him, but I'm a shooter too like Steve Nash. I was QB, tell the bro to make a post and he pass. Self niggas try to refs and we don't want to see flags. But don't want me correct. Like this going straight, you fuck it. Just tell me going deep. I love it. So NoCap to help me find a way in. I fucked it in one passer, so she text me, amen.
Keep my heat like Allen Cartier, not Ray-Bans. Every time I drop it,
Find a way in. I fucked it in one passer, so she text me, amen.
I fucked it, didn't want a pastor. He said what? So she texted me, amen, pastor, amen. Man.
keep my heat like Allen Cartier, not Ray-Bans. Every time I drop a tear, I watch a cement cave in. The way a nigga rock these stars, you think my pain amazing.
One passer, so she text me, amen.
Keep my heat like Allen Cartier, not Ray-Bans. Every time I drop a tear, I watch a cement cave in. The way a nigga rock these stars, you think my pain amazing. The way my life was planted, who think that I succeed? The way my life was drew, I can't get a breeze. I don't have no one to call on, I ain't talking Creed. He play with
the way my life was drew, I couldn't get a breeze. What? Stop playing.
I succeed. The way my life was drew, I can't get a breeze. I don't have no one to call on, I ain't talking Creed. He play, we put him on a shirt, and that's guaranteed. White gold out at my peak, and they can't even see. And I don't understand because I succeed. The way my life was drew, I can't get a breeze. I don't have no one to call on, I ain't talking Creed. He play, we put him on a shirt, and that's guaranteed.
I ain't have no one to call on, cologne, and I ain't talking Creed. Call on, cologne, Creed. Stop it, bro.
White gold out at my peak, and they can't even see. And I don't understand because I seen the blind read. Still fighting cases, I want this shit behind me. They killing every day, I'm trying to dodge the game. I'm fly as hell and they ain't gotta walk through TSA. Closet got way too many kicks, look like the MMA.
He told in the police car he ain't make.
He said got too many kicks, look like the MMA.
PSA, closet got way too many kicks, look like the MMA.
Told in the police car he ain't make pat intake. I'm a bitch shut down once can't help it, got too much at stake. No match can make a nigga sleep forever and still go to a wake. I put my brother jeans on. Yeah, I did collab, drip a V-long. I know her religion, but she keep her waist beads on. Hang with my niggas, I tighten the rope, Julio Jones. Don't you, you screenshot me on your FaceTime. Yeah. Take your jewelry box and piss on your watch. Every minute I thought that you can waste time. She ain't by a Sunday tombstone, we find a site, cut the grass high. She gon' know your eyebrow, she couldn't afford a damn right. No favors, you ain't Usain Bolt, bro, I ran out. Money bring beef, we switch place and let it pan out. Talking to Lil' Mark, he love coffee in the can now. Walking by his bunk, I'm trying to listen to what he praying about. Say he had a dream that he was free, woke up and he ain't not. At least the bros play the cash up, now they don't on the green dice.
One foot on the line of.
I just let him go. That time I just let him go, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. This is amazing. This is honestly amazing. This is that good stuff right here. I ain't gonna lie. Thank you, NoCap and Rollo. Thank you, man. This is what we needed, man.
For my darkest times, I just go at bright lens. I go through it like you still see me striking. I don't know why I try this bitch like I'm excited. Shawty, do me one favor, and the whole world is yours. Told you that AP.
I just can't believe we actually got this shit cut. My fault. I'm crying and shit.
Plain Jane, I'm screaming all up, boy.
You screenshot me on your FaceTime. Take your jewelry box and piss on your watch. Every minute I thought that you can waste time.
That was beautiful, man. Wake up. Wake up, nigga.
Gina on the track.
Last song, man.
Hey, nigga, this ain't no 223, nigga, this a problem solver. That bitch ain't only fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Don't talk on telephones, my niggas know that's protocol. And the way we live in jail or death, I gotta tell you, it ain't no what. Fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Don't talk on telephones, my niggas know that's protocol. And
Don't talk on phones, my nigga, you know that's protocol.
fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Don't talk on telephones, my niggas know that's protocol. And the way we live in jail or death, I gotta tell you, it ain't no other way. It ain't no other way. I'm out here all alone, it ain't no other way. Gotta keep my chrome, it ain't no other way. You gon' make my homies rich if you feeling some type of way. Remember days we ain't had nothing to do.
Did he say you gonna make my homies rich if you feeling some type of way? He basically saying he gonna cash his homies out to go, you know, handle business. You feel me? If you feeling some type of way, if you know, I don't know, act up type shit. I think that's what he talking about. Hold on.
It ain't no other way. Gotta keep my chrome, it ain't no other way. You gon' make my homies rich if you feeling some type of way. Remember days we ain't had nothing to do. And call the jet, all my haters wanna kill themselves. I suicide my doors. And they the reason why I flex how I do. I only remember days we ain't had nothing to do. And call the jet, all my haters wanna kill themselves. I suicide my doors. And they the reason why I flex how I do. I only ran it up because of you. That foreign car and Gino Pie make the same sound, go skirt skirt. Won't tell they get my time cut, I catch my rat with scissors. But I'ma watch as presidential. But if you run, we come and get you. Nigga, this ain't no 223, nigga, this a problem solver. That bitch ain't only fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Don't talk on telephones, my niggas know that's protocol. And the way we live in jail or death, I gotta tell you, it ain't no other way. It ain't no other way. I'm out here all alone, it ain't no other way. Gotta keep my chrome, it ain't no other way. You gon' make my homies rich if you feeling some type of way. I know they waiting on me to slip up, fall, fumble, whatever. Dear Christian on my feet, walk with the devil. You did that, had a dream that God picked me up.
D, you a Christian on my feet, walk with the devil. You dig that? Damn.
A Christian on my feet, walk with the devil. You did that, had a dream that God picked me up. In the Hellcat, I was always told that life's a gamble. You can't bet back. 20 bands on clothes, we walk through demons with them trumpets on us. My youngin' 16 with a body without no school diploma. She a boss bitch, she just want a boss nigga. But she down to fuck just to get you chalk, nigga. Nigga, this ain't no 223, nigga, this a problem solver. That bitch ain't only fucking me, she fucking all my dogs. Don't talk on telephones, my niggas know that's protocol. And the way we live in jail or death, I gotta tell you, it ain't no other way. It ain't no other way. I'm out here all alone, it ain't no other way. Gotta keep my chrome, it ain't no other way. You gon' make my homies rich if you feeling some type of way. It ain't no other 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 way.
No, man, that was a good EP or something. Whatever that was a good little piece of art. Let's just say that. You know what I mean? My favorite song, the one with Rollo. It gotta be the one with Rollo. Or Standing on Lies. I keep forgetting about Standing on Lies. But the one with Rollo, bro, that just, you know, come on, man. We was all waiting for that. You feel me? But look, that was a cool tape. I was messing with it. But I think he got another tape coming soon. Like a longer tape. Like an actual album type shit. But look, if you're new to my channel, hit that sub button, give me the 500K subs ASAP, and smash that like button. Once again, shout out to NoCap for this project. But look, without further ado, it's your boy Don. I'm about to check out One Love. Peace out. Yeah.